So before we dive into today's video, I just wanted to let you know that every Tuesday are going to be videos dedicated to frequently asked questions relating to Trello. So these could be questions that I've received or questions that I've seen people talk about. And so I want to provide quick, short videos on these kind of questions. So that is what Tuesdays is going to be dedicated to. So if you have any questions that you would like answered regarding Trello, if you can share them in the comments below so that I can address them possibly on another video for a future Tuesday video. So I would love to hear if you have any questions below in the comments. And now all about today's video. Today's video is all about notifications. So where you can easily find any notifications that you have on any of your Trello boards, where you can find it all in one spot. And I'm going to show you two actual locations for where you can find all your notifications. So stay tuned and we'll dive into that here. So before we dive into the screen sharing part of this video, I just first want to just welcome you back to my channel and just let you know as a reminder that this channel is not only all about Trello tips and tricks, but it is also about other ways that I have created different systems and use different services to help make my life a little bit more efficient and a little bit more streamlined to help me reduce stress in my day-to-day life. So if this is something that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the little bell next to it so that you can be notified when the new videos come out. And so now we're going to dive into how to look at notifications on your Trello account. So when you open Trello, you're probably used to this initial view. Now to check out notifications, any notifications related to your boards, any activity within your board, so if someone assigned you as a member to the board, anything like that, you can go to this home section here. And you can see all those notifications here. Now you can see that I added myself to several of these tasks. So I can actually come in here, if someone added me to a task, I can reply to it saying, I got it, or understood, or I see it, or something like that. Or I can just hit the dismiss button. So I could just come in here and dismiss this one and this one because I know I added myself to it. So I know that those are, already assigned to me. Now, when there is a due date, so these have been assigned to me already, these weren't new activities. So now I can actually come in here and complete a task, or I can dismiss it. And so I can actually even click on this and it will take me directly to that board. So if I click on this, it's going to take me directly to the card within the board. And so from here, I can just select this little box here to mark it as complete. Or I can, if I go down here, I can archive it. So you can easily do, whatever you want from the card view if you wanted to click on that card. So if we go back to the main view, and we go back to the home section. So these are all any card that was, card that was assigned to you. Or if I scroll down a little bit further, these are just any tasks that were assigned a due date within any board. So they don't necessarily have to relate to you. So this section, you can find anything that has a due date or that there was new activity on. Now, if you strictly wanted to just find anything due related to you for all of your boards, you can come up to the top up here. You can click on your little icon up here and you can go to cards. Now, if you would be in this cards category, and you can see here, this is sorting by board right now. So you can see by board which task and within which list have been assigned to us. Now, we can switch this if we don't want to view it as a board per board. If we just want to see everything together, we can sort it by due date instead. So now we can see all the due dates, and you can see below it. So this is in that list on this board. So you can see that this is one board, and then this is a completely separate board over here. So all of your to-dos are within this section here. So no matter from what board, all of your boards and all of your to-dos are going to be, or I guess tasks that are assigned to you are going to be listed here. And then you can also, this is showing all cards. You can do it based on last month. What if we do last week? You can see any cards that were active in the last week. So that's how you can go about finding your notifications that are related specifically to you, or how you can find any due date or any notification that is related to any of your boards. And again, this encompasses all your boards as well in this section too. So hopefully this was helpful, and don't forget to leave in the comments below if you have any questions relating to Trello. I will be happy to answer any questions on my next Trello Tuesday video. Thanks.